here with Joel Klooster from Inmarsat Aviation. Joel, thanks for being here with us today.
Yeah, thanks for having me.
Now, Joel, tell me a little bit more about Velaris.
Yeah, Velaris is our new foray into the uncrewed or advanced aerial mobility segment for aviation. So as new uncrewed applications, think quadcopters on the small end, little package deliveries up to the eVTOLs, electric vertical takeoff and landing, what a lot of people talk about as those urban air taxis. As those get integrated into commercial airspace, they need a secure and reliable, robust communications link to provide command and control interfaces to those vehicles. And so we've taken our decades of experience in commercial air transport, providing secure satellite communications for safety purposes in commercial air transport, and are now applying that into this advanced aerial mobility segment.
Now, is this a fairly new service to the market?
Yeah, we've launched it just a few years ago. I mean, this is really a new market, these uncrewed applications. You know, you've had these kind of consumer drones. You think those little DJI drones that are, have a GoPro mounted on it for, consumer photography and things like that. But those are all operated within line of sight from the person on the ground that's controlling it. We're now moving into more advanced autonomous operations that go beyond what we call beyond visual line of sight, or BVLOS. So these are where you're getting into more advanced operations like delivering cargo or carrying passengers, and you don't have that direct line of sight from the operator on the ground to where that vehicle is going. And so this is a whole new set of applications as the maturity of these vehicles. You're walking around Exponential here and you just see the wide array of different kinds of vehicles that can carry different kinds of payloads around. And as these get more and more advanced, as the state of the technology advances, the types of applications from search and rescue to remote surveillance and inspection of pipelines or wind farms, cargo delivery, all of these kinds of new applications require this secure communications link to be able to operate beyond that visual line of sight from the operator.
Now, this service is available?
This service is available today. Yeah, so we have taken our experience and our expertise in the commercial aviation space for oceanic traffic crossing the ocean where there is no radar and no radio towers to communicate with air traffic control. And we've taken the technology, so there's two pieces. There's the satellite and the operations of that network for the satellite communications, and then there's the hardware, what we call the terminal and the antenna that's mounted on the vehicle itself. So that terminal is what communicates with the satellite up in space. A lot of them are going to be electrically operated, and so you think about the batteries that are on that aircraft, the range that it can fly, where weight becomes incredibly important to these operators. And so we've taken that and made it incredibly small, the smallest in the industry. We call it the micro terminal, and that allows high bandwidth, reliable connection via the satellites, the L-band spectrum, from that vehicle down to the ground station and back to operate that vehicle. So it's the hardware that'll be available in a matter of weeks to the initial set of users that we've been engaging with. And then the communications link is available today to support those operations.
Thanks so much, Joel. We appreciate having you, and thank you so much.